Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Jobber. We are going to compare pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Jobber, and then also we'll check the pricing so you exactly know how much money you have to prepare. So let's start. Jobber is a smart and effective business management tool that helps businesses organize all operations. Be it taking client appointments, staff task allocation, raising invoices to customers, or collecting payments. Jobber is designed to capture the overall business lifecycle effectively. Jobber has been created keeping in mind the need of small home service providers who seek end-to-end operations under the platform. Jobber gives business an ease of accessibility with all tasks accessible remotely. The inbuilt CRM of this tool manages all tasks concerning clients at core, such as scheduling appointments, raising invoices, and sending communications and reminders for appointments or payments. Its standard and customizable screen help manage customers effectively, leaving a good impression. This tool analytics system consists of more than 20 standard report templates that help businesses monitor and track their performance. Jobbers can be installed and used for across industries like cleaning, plumbing, laundry, salon, landscaping, pest control, and many more. It's made mainly for businesses. If you're an individual, you can use it as well if you're in charge of a small company or something like that, but mainly small, medium, and large businesses. They are located in Alberta, Canada, and they are providing really nice support online. You can run it in your web browser, as I'm doing right now, or you can install it into your mobile phone. If you have Android or iOS, it doesn't actually matter. They are providing really nice trial, so you don't straight away don't have to pay money for it. Then you can choose go monthly or annually. If you're ready to subscribe, it's obviously 20% less. And they are offering 3 programs. First one is Core. Then Connect, it's for up to 7 users. And then Grow, which is the most expensive one with the most features. And also it's up to 30 users. If you want to add additional one, it's $19 a month. If we scroll down, we see like the best way how you can check all the features that you actually need. And and Zapier integrations are unlocked in the most expensive one. So it's basically their way to make integrations possible. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.